Guys, welcome. I'm Deepika. Today we are making moong dal chilla and appe. For this we need soaked dal, boiled rice, veggies, eggs. Now grind dal and rice into a paste. Add salt, veggies and eggs. And the batter is ready. So this recipe is so easy to put together when you want to really eat something healthy yet tasty. Moong dal is rich in vitamin A, B, C, E and many minerals. It is rich in protein and fiber, which is ideal for weight loss. It helps to lower high cholesterol level, controls blood sugar, promotes heart health, improves skin and much more. Now heat some olive oil or ghee in a pan, pour a small portion of batter, cover and cook for about 2 minutes. Flip it and cook for about a minute. The chilla is ready. Now for appe, grease the appe mold, fill the mold with batter, cover and cook. Flip the appe, pour some more ghee and cook again. Enjoy with tomato ketchup. Bye bye.